Apple is reportedly working on the successor of its 2016 iPhone SE, dubbed as iPhone SE 2. The CAD renders were published by Tiger Mobiles in associations with OnLeaks, and it shows the device from different angles. However, it is important to note that authenticity of the CAD files used to make these renders is not being verified. So, we suggest you take this report with a pinch of salt. The first thing you will notice about this render is the iPhone X-like notch, and almost minimal bezels at the front, which is in line with previous leaks. The top houses an earpiece, while there would be the front-facing camera as well. Examining the iPhone SE 2 renders, it looks as though Face ID will be making its debut, given the notch and missing Touch ID home button. Not much else is revealed in terms of specs, but the iPhone SE 2 is anticipated to come with the A10 Fusion processor. Further moving to the render, there is an alert slider on the left, along with volume controls. While the SIM tray is available on the right side. The top houses power on-off button, while at the base, there is lighting port flanked between two speaker grills. The render also reveals that Apple might ditch 3.5mm headphone jack in this one as well. Moving on, the back panel looks eerily similar to what we have seen in original iPhone SE. You get a dual-tone finish at the back, with a single rear camera at the top left position, along with an LED flash. That said, the iPhone SE 2 render reveals that the device will feature a similar design as we have seen in the iPhone SE, though the major differentiating factor here could be the display. So what do you think? If this is what the iPhone SE 2 looks like, is it what you've been hoping for, or somewhat of a disappointment? Personally, I was hoping for the glass at the back to change up the design a bit, but I'll take the bigger display any day of the week. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone SE 2 at WWDC in June. Which means we won't have to wait too long to confirm whether these CAD renders are the real deal or not. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.